Taniya Nayak here, FrogTape brand spokesperson. The results are finally in. Your votes have been tallied, and the winner of the 3rd annual Paintover Challenge is Haneen from Haneen's Haven. She did an amazing job incorporating the Back to the Future 2018 design trend into her room makeover. Ronan Thompson Foundation will receive $10,000 on behalf of FrogTape and their blog. Now let's hear how Haneen made this awe-inspiring transformation.
So my living room had a great foundation. I really liked the reclaimed wood wall in here, but I really wanted the fireplace to be a showstopper. So FrogTape helped in transforming that into something super chic and sophisticated. I am a busy mom of 4, and I love that FrogTape gives a clean, sharp line every time. I don't have time to go back in and fix mistakes, so FrogTape helped big time in that department. I was given the Back to the Future design trend, and I was so excited to get that because that's exactly what I love. I love mixing old and new, retro and modern, and I did that in this space, starting with a funky retro chandelier and bringing in more of a traditional chair, and I also did that with the gallery wall. I have an art degree, so I'm always inspired by art, and I was excited to create a gallery wall that coordinated with my vintage, thrifted green book collection. I used FrogTape to create an abstract piece, and I love that juxtaposition with the thrifted pieces that are also in this gallery wall. I chose to donate this $10,000 to Ronan Thompson Foundation. It is in honor of Ronan, a sweet boy who lost his life to cancer, and it's run by his amazing mother, who has been a fierce warrior for childhood cancer ever since. And I chose it because she's so inspiring, and I love what she's doing with the foundation. Thank you so much to those of you who voted. It is such a privilege to donate to a good cause. And thank you to FrogTape for allowing me to be a part of the Paintover Challenge.